Welcome back to Faceless YouTube Profits. What we're going to be looking at in this video is how to monetize your Faceless YouTube channel. So this is going to be your ultimate Faceless YouTube monetization guide. So let's jump in. So there's a few different ways. I'm going to go over the main ways that you can make money from your Faceless YouTube channel. The first thing you want to do is you want to research other channels in your niche, right? And then we're going to obviously do that research to find out what other people that are getting a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, their channel seems to be growing and maturing. And then what we want to do is we want to replicate what they are doing, right? We don't want to reinvent the wheel. We don't want to go out there and create products and try to sell them on a Faceless YouTube channel in our niche that nobody else has done. And if you do decide to do that, there's not a whole lot wrong with it other than that it's not proven to make money. And so you're going to need to be aware of that, right? That you could spend a lot of time launching your product or creating your product and then putting your link in your description in your videos and then not making sales. So we're going to go and research some channels. We'll go over to YouTube, and for now, let's go in and Faceless YouTube. Let's just use that as our topic right now. We'll go and dissect a couple more niches as well in this video, but we're going to go to Faceless YouTube and let's go check this guy out right here. Okay, so I'm going to right click. I'm going to open this one up in a new tab. Maybe we want to go and check this one out right here. He's ranking for two things right there, dominating the niche. Then we've got Thomas Garrett's right over here. We'll go see what he is doing as well. And we'll come back and we'll look at, I'm going to skip in video. They're going to obviously be selling their software. And then we could go over here and see what this guy is selling as well, like services, right? So we'll just go and look at some of the top ranking content creators in the space. And what we'll do is we'll go over here. This guy made almost 250,000 views in 1 month. This is a master at Faceless YouTube automation right over here. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on the more button over here and see what they've got going. So if you're on the fence about starting a YouTube channel, you should apply for a call with me here. So obviously we're going to click on this and see he's got a landing page, really nice, fancy landing page right over here. We can go and get started over here. They've obviously got a YouTube video right over here. And this guy is going to be doing some type of coaching. If we click get started type form, you're going to start answering questions. Apply here to work with me privately or in my Digital Founder Elite program. So there's either going to be like a school community of some sort where you're going to pay monthly, $50, $100, something like that, or you can get personalized coaching, which is going to cost even more, probably between $100 and $300 per session. So you're going to be doing that right there. So you can just see like what they're getting at right over here, right? We can also come over here and see what else is going on. My new Instagram Blueprint Accelerator program right over here. And we can go and click on that as well and see what they're selling over here as well. So the Instagram Blueprint project right over here, you can enter in your name and email, and then you're going to see what the pricing is right over here for that. It's a program. So they've already two links right over here that are monetized links that they're making money. Improve your titles and keywords right over here with vidIQ, right? You click on this, you go and purchase a plan, they make a commission on that. So they're selling software, right? So we've got a course right here. We've got services and private coaching. We've got a software, a very popular YouTube software right over here. You level up your content with Content MBA right over here. So another project. So they've got a lot of products that they're offering right over here. And guarantee you that they're making more than a full-time income from their YouTube efforts because they have 170,000 subscribers. They're getting 250,000 views per video, and they've got a lot of monetized products right over here, high-level products as well. So let's go check out some more. Right over here, we'll go check out the next video right over here with Yori. And you can see right over here, we're going to go over here. And this whole intention right over here is affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate marketing is a huge one to go after as well. We've got affiliate marketing, and he is trying to sell in video. He's an affiliate within video. You click on this link and go and purchase a package. I believe they have packages around $49 to use the tool that he's telling you to use. He probably makes a 30% cut. So if you go 5 times 3, he's making about $15, but it's a reoccurring commission right over there, right? So if he gets a $15 commission, let's just say he makes 100 sales, right? Then he's making $1,500 a month with just signing up 100 customers, and that's per month. It's residual income, right? It's reoccurring commissions, and that's the beauty of selling some affiliate products, especially software. Usually a really good software affiliate program gives you lifetime reoccurring commissions, and that's what I look for in my affiliate business as well. So Yuri is doing the right thing. He's selling a software up front. That's what I would do. And then he's also referring you back to a video to keep you on his channel. And those are the two main things that he wants to do. He wants you to buy the software and then continue watching his channel, which is super smart. He's got 124,000 subscribers, getting 85,000 views on this. And I can tell you right now, after doing this for 4 years full-time YouTube affiliate marketing, I can tell you right now that with 85,000 views right here on one video, Yuri is making a well over 6 figures with his YouTube channel right over here. Then we'll come over here and we'll look at this guy that left for a year, and then he gets a haircut. I did watch this video. It's pretty funny. And then he gets a haircut right over here. Super funny. This is Thomas Garrett's right over here. He usually sells like a coaching program and so forth. We'll come over here and you'll see right over here. So right here, he came back because in video, basically came out with extremely crazy technology. And so he had to come back to YouTube and jump on the bandwagon, right? And so he can actually make some money from that as well. His channel is all about making money on YouTube and, Faceless YouTube and so forth. So of course, he's got an AI and video link right over here to get you to sign up for that 49 package that I just told you that Yuri is doing, right? So they're all even selling the same software, right? And that is not very unique. One thing that I like to do a spin on this is try to find something that no one else has. That's what a little bit more sustainable is coming back over here to Digital Income Project, what they're selling. They have the vidIQ. Everyone's trying to sell vidIQ and TubeBuddy as well, but he's got 3 other products over here that are untouchable by somebody else. They're uniquely created. They're his programs and his coaching programs. So I do like that and as well, but these are all great ways to monetize your channel. Then you can go and check out the YouTube Faceless No Face YT.com course. So you just got a simple landing page over here. He wants to get your email before you can even see the pricing or the sales page, which is smart affiliate marketing or smart marketing, right? So he can market to you more. He just wants your email address, which is just classic. I mean, this is what you should be doing if you're an online marketer. I believe it's a $1,000 course or something like that. So good stuff there. And then you have try vidIQ. So he's selling vidIQ as well, right? So we know from this niche right over here what is selling the most. And I think that this guy has a 1 of 10. Look at this question mark via equals white space. This is an affiliate link for 1 of 10, which is a software as well. And then he's got a half-baked my free business idea newsletter sign up. So now he's getting your email address. He's sending you to a software to make affiliate commissions. And then he's got a couple other products over here. Work with me, coaching and consulting work right over here. So they're all the same, right? So we actually come over here and I'm just going to type this in right over here on a notepad. Okay, so we have consulting, we have software, affiliate, we have courses, and an email newsletter, right? So these are the main things that we saw. We saw a lot of coaching and consulting, right? We saw a lot of software. Almost every single one of those channels had software affiliates. They're sending you to InVideo. They're sending you to vidIQ. They're sending you to 1 of 10. All YouTube related software is very smart. They're all selling you a course and they're trying to get your email. Very, very common. So that's something that you would want to do and then what I would do is I just come over here and then I would just maybe take a note right over here. I would say that this is my research for Faceless YouTube. So the niche is Faceless YouTube. I'll put that sticky note right over here. And let's just say we're going to do another one. So I'm going to go copy, paste, and let's go and look at somebody else. Now you can take this. I'm going to do this with, let's go with fitness or something like that, like fitness, health, something like that, right? Let's go and check out and see what we can find with that. I'm going to go and exit out. So something like this, what you should eat in your 50s. I know this is like a niche, like the health and fitness niche in your 50s. Look, 32,000 views, 2.7 million views right over here. So we can go and start looking at this and seeing this natural ways. And then you can start going and seeing like what they're doing. So I'm going to right click, open up right there. Then we can see what this guy's doing right over here. Open that up. We've got this live healthy over 50, see what they're doing and go and analyze this channel as well. Okay. So we can come over here and always just skip down and look at the description. They are just straight up a YouTube channel. So they're making money off the YouTube AdSense. We're going to go over that in just a second. I'll leave these open as well. We'll come over here and check out this one and see if they've got any kind of coaching or anything like that. So this is good to know that in the health and fitness niche, you're going to probably be making more money off of the views, the AdSense. You want to get millions of views if you can, and you can make some really good money off of the YouTube AdSense AdSense. There's not a lot going on with affiliate marketing. We'll go over here and see they're referring you back to a video right over here. They're not even selling anything in here. I would do some type of affiliate marketing with this much traffic, 2 million views right there. They should have an affiliate link in there. They could have made a lot of money, but this is what seems to be the norm, is not putting links in your description unless they are YouTube videos, because you want to keep people on your channel and so forth. So this is the research that is required, right? Now we could go over here and look and see maybe how much money these accounts are making. So natural ways. So I would just click on this channel right over here, and then you would go and grab the handle right over here. And then we go over to another site called Social Blade, and then we would go and check this out and see if we can see just a little bit more analytics of the channel. It's been around since 2016. It has gotten a 317 million views, 1.6 million subscribers, almost 900 uploads. Crazy. And this is kind of gives you an idea of what this is saying that they're making per month. I want to see what the amount of views are. So they've slowed down like crazy to only 150,000 views in the health and wellness niche. I would say that this is probably about accurate, right? So they're not making a ton of money. They probably need to be doing something with affiliate marketing in order to make more money with this. But some of these other fitness channels, we can go and check one more out, like this one right over here. Let's see if they're making more money with only 42 videos. They've had a lot more success. They're probably going to be getting better numbers than $600 a month. We'll come over here. They're making up to $6,000 a month because it's based on views, right? We come down here. They're getting 1.5 million views per month on their channel, and that's why they're making $6,000. Now, if I were them, I would do some type of product, whether that's even affiliate marketing with Amazon products or something like that. There's definitely more money to make in that niche, but going back to what's working for other people in the niche, you're probably not going to want to blast out affiliate links or courses or anything like that in that health and fitness niche for a long time, till you build a large audience. But now you know how to research your niche and find what other people are doing. Then the next way that you can make money is find relevant affiliate products, right? So again, we saw the affiliate products from our research over here, especially on the Faceless YouTube, right? That they're selling software, 1 of 10. They're selling vidIQ. They're selling, TubeBuddy. They're selling different softwares that help people do better on YouTube. Okay. So you can also go to ClickBank and type in different things. You could even go into good old Google and just say, you could say best affiliate products for, let's just say, and I wouldn't say fitness because that's so general. You'd want to be, for weight loss, for weightlifting. There's all kinds of different things you can do, right? So now you can go to bodybuilding.com, Brutal Force, all these different places and find products, and you can find different affiliate programs that are specific to bodybuilding and different things like that, right? So you can use Google, you can do all kinds of different things. You can say best affiliate programs for X, Y, Z, right? So that's a great way to do that. But find affiliate products, find a good one that you like, and then put that in your description. And when you're getting a traffic like we've just seen from all these channels, you're going to get clicks and make sales. It's just a numbers game, okay? And then create your own product or course. This is another one. This is what I do. This is what a lot of those other guys in the Faceless YouTube channels, affiliate marketing, make money online, anything finance related. A lot of times it's going to be creating your own course, because then you can get 100% of the commission, right? You're not going to be giving away 50% of the commission, 30% of the commission, or 70% of the commission. You're going to get 100% of the commission when you create and sell your own product. So I think that this is the way that you want to end up. And that's where we saw one of those other guys that did really, really well with the Faceless YouTube channel. We come back over to Faceless YouTube and we saw even like Make Money on Matt. You're going to go and check this out right over here and see all the different things that he sells. He's even selling his own software now. But you have Tube Mastery, which is like $1,000 or $2,000. It's a course right over here. You can also sign up as an affiliate and sell his course as well. He's a master at doing this. He has like 12 channels and so forth. So pretty cool stuff. And then finally, the AdSense revenue. When we come back over here and we saw this channel over here, Healthy Long Life, they've only created 42 videos. They have 341,000 subscribers, 38 million views, and they just created their channel a little over a year ago. They've had massive YouTube success, and they're making around $6,000 from YouTube AdSense alone. I didn't see any links to products or anything like that, so they could definitely double that or triple that by adding in their own links or their own courses, and that's what I would recommend them doing. But nonetheless, if you just want to start off and you don't want to think about products or anything like that, you can still make some really good revenue, really good money from just being a monetized channel on YouTube. And that is the one of the biggest and number one ways that people make money with their Faceless YouTube channels. Okay. So hopefully this was a good guide for you to answer some of those questions, give you ideas how to research, what to sell, and your Faceless YouTube monetization guide. Thanks for joining me. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. If you made it all the way in the video, leave a comment and say, hey, I watched the whole thing. I'd love to know those of you that actually watched the whole thing and paid attention. Go out there and make your Faceless YouTube, your YouTube channel, and go out there and start crushing it. I'll see you in the next video.